Bedste skater, Volcom Danmark. Here we go.
Vi er ved at track Jægers Crew. Jeg har lige Lasse i telefonen. Kan være lige herovre. Ja, de er der.
Rasmus. Det er Rune.
Hej Rune.
Hej, hvad så?
Ikke så meget, jeg hører lige, ja.
Er du derovre til Ultra Bowl, eller?
Nej, jeg tager hjem.
Nå, okay, super. Ja, okay, fint nok. Om du bare, jeg vidste ikke, om du var i Sverige, eller hvad med telefontax og sådan noget. Nå, hvad hedder det, nu skal du høre, hvad hedder det, jeg har fået sådan en lidt mystisk ting, jeg er blevet kontaktet af DR, ikke?
Ja.
Og de vil lave sådan en landsomfattende tour-agtig tingest med skateboard, og jeg tror også måske, der skal noget rulleskøjter ind over eller et eller andet. Men det der er helt fucked up ved det, det er, at det er en eller anden, det er åbenbart en eller anden relaunch af Bamse Kylling eller sådan noget. Det er helt mystisk. Men de savner en speaker. Eller de har faktisk nævnt dig, fordi jeg ved ikke hvordan, altså det er jo unge mennesker, det er nu, men et eller andet. Men altså de har en masse penge og sådan noget til at lave det der. Eller en masse, det er ikke, men altså, men de vil meget gerne have dig på.
Ja.
Altså det er sådan noget, altså det er helt fucked, det er noget med, de gerne vil have, at, altså, at du skal være inde i den der Bamse Kylling, eller fordi det er ligesom,
er det Quest of Honor, eller hvad?
Hvad?
Er det sådan en gaming der til Quest of Honor? Nå, skal vi drikke en kaffe og tage den, eller hvad?
Ja, men nej, jeg ved ikke, hvad du mener, eller jeg ved ikke, hvad du...
Alle dem, der er i gang med at lave det der Quest of Honor, det der film, ikke?
Okay.
De skal ikke lave noget telefonvis med andre.
Nå, for fanden. Nej, men det er... Nej, okay, nej, men...
Cool, yes.
Nej, men det er, hvad hedder det... Nej, men de vil have... Altså, så det skal være Bamse, der er speakeren. Det er det, der er lidt tricky.
Så hvis det kan fremme skateboard og whatever, så er jeg sgu frisk.
Okay,
jamen... Det kan det helt sikkert.
Ja, okay, men... jeg kan ikke mere. Ej, det var Quest of Honor. Jeg ved ikke, men jeg fik det til at sige, ja, det var sådan set bare det, vi skulle, tror jeg.
Quest of Honor. Vi har bygget et dyr vejsbord, som I kan se. Yes, her er det. Alexander Rigsvold. Her bare. Her bare.
Motherfuckers look at me like I'm a slanger. Making threats to my family, dog, I'm in danger. Who do you call when these haters want you dead? Then they hit these penitentiaries and niggas make a plan, so I dip it up fair. All my homies stuck out on indictments, caught up on the phone talking prices. I'm 25 to life's the mandatory minimum. My whole community gets treated like they criminals. I get bitches getting motherfuckers hung. Gotta see out on the inside and everybody's on. Mothers and fathers separated from their sons. Households are broken, they couldn't hold your tongue. If the shores say it's yours, take the case, do your time. Now you getting money from it, amen. Now you crying in your jail cell, stressing on the case. On the DA's at a nigga every other day. I can see it in your face, in the middle of your soul. You been questioning your manhood, homie. We don't talk to police, we don't make a peace bump. We don't trust in the judicial system, we shoot guns. We rely on the streets, we do battle in the hood. I was born in the G code, embedded in my blood. We don't talk to police, we don't make a peace bond. We ain't trusting in the judicial system, we shoot guns. We rely on the streets, we do battle in the hood. I was born in the G code, embedded in my blood. See, I be on some street shit, don't talk to police. line, and his actions said the same. Told the cracker, tell your man and suck his dick and Stephen James. Ain't no motherfucking game, we been living it for real. When the government is working, real niggas never squeal. Right here the truth reveal, drawing you a mouse. Yeah, you rapping, but the homie Lil Pops can't get out. Niggas, they hit the pen, they get charged, they get out. On a rule 35, he informing for the cops. You can hear it in his voice, I listen to the tapes. Now you showing up in court, testifying for the state. We don't talk to police, we don't make a peace bond. We don't trust in the judicial system, we shoot guns. We ride on the streets, we don't battle in the hood. I was born in the G-code, embedded in my blood. We don't talk to police, we don't make a peace bond. We ain't trusting in the judicial system, we shoot guns. We ride on the streets, we don't battle in the hood. I was born in the G-code, embedded in my blood. I'm knowing all the scams, all the tricks to the trade. No a nigga try to get clean when you get in the way. No a nigga try to get green when you stick out the bait. Cause a nigga like a dope fiend, can't rehabilitate. Still sticking to the G-code, playing by the rules. We don't fuck around with new niggas, cause new niggas is fools. We don't photograph the homies that'll catch a nigga up. On the picture you a victim, but I'm blind, nigga, fuck. Only connect the real, staying down with the truth. I got love for you, man, you a real nigga spook. My nigga Spoonie G, I can only name a few, but it's 1,000 motherfuckers in the pen, bulletproof. So this one here for you, I'ma rap it till I die. Fuck a 5K1, check his PSI. Send his ass to the top. If he say he sit at home, he a motherfucking snitch. Snitching niggas need a song. We don't talk to police, we don't make a peace bond. We don't trust in the judicial system, we shoot guns. We rely on